Welcome back to Finance Plus Investment, the channel dedicated to helping you make smarter financial decisions. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can save you a ton of money and stress tax deadlines. Understanding these key dates is crucial for keeping more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. We'll break down the most important tax deadlines coming up in 2025, so you can plan ahead and stay on top of your financial game. From estimated tax payments to filing deadlines, we've got you covered. First up, January 15th, 2025. This is the deadline for making your fourth quarter estimated tax payments for 2024. Estimated taxes are crucial if you're self-employed, a freelancer, or have income without automatic tax withholding. By making these payments quarterly, you spread out your tax liability and avoid a massive bill come tax time. Plus, it helps you avoid penalties for underpayment of taxes. It's way less stressful to pay a little bit throughout the year than to get hit with a huge bill all at once. Next, January 29th, 2025. This is when the IRS is expected to officially open tax season for filing your 2024 tax returns. The earlier you file, the sooner you can potentially get your refund and avoid the last-minute scramble. No one wants to be stressing about forms and deadlines when they could be enjoying their life. January 31st, 2025. Is an important date for both employees and employers. This is the deadline for employers to send out W-2 forms to their employees. For self-employed or freelancers, you should receive your 1099 NEC forms by this date. These forms are essential for filing your taxes accurately, so keep an eye out for them. If you haven't received yours by early February, reach out to your employer or client. February 18th, 2025, is the deadline to reclaim your exemption from withholding. If you claimed an exemption on your W-4 form, this date is crucial. Double-check with a tax professional if you think this might apply to you. Moving on to April 1st, 2025. This deadline is important for anyone who turns 73 in 2024 and has retirement accounts. Failing to take your RMD by the deadline can result in a hefty 50% penalty. If you're approaching 73 or older, make sure you're familiar with these rules. April 15th, 2025. Tax Day, the official deadline to file your federal income tax return for 2024. It's also the deadline for most state income tax returns, but double-check your state's requirements. Procrastinators, this is your final warning. Don't wait until the last minute to gather your documents and file your taxes. The closer we get to April 15th, the more crowded those online tax software websites and post offices get. Rushing to meet the deadline increases your chances of making mistakes. June 16th, 2025, is the deadline for making your second quarter estimated tax payments for 2025. If you're self-employed, a freelancer, or have income without taxes automatically withheld, you'll need to make these quarterly payments. Once you get into the rhythm of it, it becomes second nature. Set reminders on your phone so you don't forget. September 15th, 2025, is your next estimated tax payment deadline for the third quarter of 2025. Consistently making these payments on time is crucial for avoiding penalties. Staying organized with your taxes throughout the year makes everything smoother and less stressful. October 15th, 2025, is the deadline for anyone who requested a 6-month extension to file their 2024 tax return. Filing an extension gives you more time to get your documents together, but not more time to pay any taxes owed. If you requested an extension, make sure you've paid any estimated taxes by April 15th to avoid penalties. Get those taxes filed by October 15th and you'll be good to go. Last but not least, December 31st, 2025. This is the final deadline to take your 2025 required minimum distribution, or RMD, from your retirement accounts if you're 73 or older. Don't let it slip your mind. Those penalties for missing your RMD can be hefty. Staying on top of your tax responsibilities doesn't have to be overwhelming. By understanding these key deadlines and planning ahead, you can avoid stressful penalties and late fees. Thanks for watching Finance Plus Investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and updates.